Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make a refreshing summer mango milkshake. This is a cooling drink that you can enjoy during the summer. So stay tuned and find out how I make this drink. So to make this refreshing and sweet mango milkshake, you will need ripe mango. I have already washed the mango, so I'm going to cut the mango into smaller pieces. So when I'm done cutting the mango, I'll set aside. You will need cold milk, ice cream or yogurt, ice cubes, honey or any sweetener of your choice. So into the blender, I will start by adding the ice cube. I'll add the ice cream. You can decide to use yogurt. Then I'll add the milk, add honey. Then finally, I'll add the mango. Then I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. Finally, the refreshing mango milkshake is ready. This mango milkshake will help you to cool down this summer. This is a simple and easy mango milkshake that you can try at home. All the ingredients are so easy to find. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.